In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Dhan account to TradingView and trade directly from the chart. We'll go through the full process from opening TradingView to signing in with your broker and then accessing your portfolio so you can place trades without leaving the platform. This setup is useful because it brings chart analysis and order execution into one place, which can make your workflow much smoother and faster. To begin, go to tradingview.com and open a chart. Once the website loads, you can open any market chart you want to work with. The specific instrument doesn't matter for the connection process, so feel free to choose the one you normally analyze or trade. The important thing is that you're inside the main chart view, because that's where the broker connection tools are available. After the chart is open, look toward the bottom section of the TradingView screen and click on the Trading panel. This panel is where TradingView allows you to connect to supported brokers and trading services. If the panel is collapsed or not immediately obvious, just focus on the lower part of the chart layout and open it from there. Once you click it, you'll see a list of available broker integrations. From that list, select Dhan. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct broker from the available options. When you select Dhan, TradingView will begin the connection process and prompt you to authenticate your account. Next, authenticate by entering your Dhan credentials, or if you prefer, scan the login QR code using the Dhan app. Both methods are designed to securely link your broker account with TradingView. If you're entering your login details manually, make sure they're typed carefully. If you use the QR option, open the Dhan app on your mobile device and follow the app's login confirmation process. This step is what authorizes TradingView to display your account information and lets you trade through the connected broker. Once authentication is complete, you'll be able to access your account portfolio and trade directly from the TradingView interface. At this stage, you should be able to view your connected account inside the trading panel and manage trades from within the chart environment. That means you can analyze the market, monitor your positions, and execute trades from the same screen, which helps